This is an exciting time. I just made a nice investment in a new robot mop. I did a lot of research. I just got this set up. Setup was really easy. It wasn't very intimidating. I'm gonna show you a few parts of it. So when you open this up, this is where the discarded water will go. It's really easy to pull it out. And then I did just fill this one up with the clean water. So it just pulls right out. You fill it up, super, super simple. If you open this up here, this is where you're gonna have that filter bag. You get an extra one as well. And then this little compartment, you fill with any sort of detergent or floor cleaning type of liquid you want to put in there. And it actually comes with a little bottle, and I use that bottle in here. So you get a little sample bottle as well. So that's set. And then there is an app. You go ahead and download that app, get everything set up, and let's see it in action. My kitty is like, what is happening? This is how it starts the first time. It's likely filling with water right now. Again, this is its first maiden voyage on our hardwood floors here. Lots of noises. It totally scared my kitty, oh man. And it's ready. Let's test what it does if it hits a cord on the ground. Okay, that's nice. It's going around it because my other one would just start wrapping it up into the bottom. This is on the defaults, and you can see just the nice amount of water that it's using for its mopping. It's going along that bottom edge right now. Here it is exploring a step and has that smart ability not to fall off. Here's my other cat going, what is that? One of the things I'm so impressed about is this has been automatically going back to its charger, refilling itself with water, cleaning its mop pads, doing all the things automatically so that it can clean our entire house. I just think this one's way smarter than any other robot vacuum mat I've ever had. If you need a new robot mop, this one is fantastic as my first impression. I'm gonna do a follow-up video in about a month after I've been running it almost every day, because our floors do get kind of dirty and I like to keep them sparkling clean. So make sure you look out for that video as well. But as a first impression, just setting it up and having it run, this is so simple and totally worth the investment so far.